That's the moon. Wow. So did you hear that noise? That was a cricket in the hedge here on the right. Now, every time I use this camera in the Tesla with an external microphone, I forget the microphone in the car. So this morning now, no external microphone, the internal ones I need to use. I hope this works out. It's like so dark. It's like 6 a.m. Everybody's still sleeping. Some people go to work. But it's so dark here, it's crazy. And this camera in low light mode, it's fantastic. At least on the screen, you know? When I'm walking here, it looks like my screen is frozen. But it's not, because I have the gimbal mode set to slow. And when you set it to slow, it's just barely moving for me walking here, you know? It's nuts. It's like so stable. It's scary. So, like, for example, if I do a 90-degree left turn now, you see how slow that was? Gimbal endpoints reached, it says now. What the heck does that mean? The gimbal is looking straight ahead. There is no way that the endpoints are reached. Ha. What do I need next? Osmo Pocket 4? Osmo Action 5 Pro? Is that what it is? Or should I get the GoPro Hero 13? That better? Don't know. How is the GoPro in the dark, by the way? Can GoPro beat this in the dark? I mean, you have no idea how dark this is. I can barely see the sidewalk in front of me. Oh. Crazy.